it's Beyonce, and I'm back with another video. If you can't hear me that clear, I can't find my microphone at the moment, so bear with me. But I'm so excited about what I'm about to tell you about. So don't pay my hair no mind. That's not the focus of this video. This was a very foul twist out that I had to turn into some type of puff. I'm so excited. Alright. So I recently was so lucky to be offered the opportunity to be a brand ambassador for a brand called 1Kollextion. 1Kollextion is owned by influencer and YouTuber Alexis Hair. Now, a lot of people know Alexis. I've been watching Alexis since I was like 15. So I'm hyped. I'm hyped. like that's so Joe, and I don't care because she's one of my favorite YouTubers. So when I applied to be her brand ambassador, I was really just like let's see if this happens. And it happened, and I'm so excited. So that's what today's video is about. Y'all, I'm a brand ambassador for 1Kollextion. Okay, what I was sent was her hair growth product. There are different products that she's offering. There is her hair growth collection. She just launched her lashes, I think like yesterday or the day before yesterday. And there will be lip gloss and other things. She has a vendor's list. She has a lot of things. So make sure y'all check this out because this is some jewels that I'm putting y'all on. And what I'm about to really put y'all on is this hair growth stuff that she sent me. And she said that back in the day, they called it hair crack. So, let me show y'all. So, this is the package that it came in. I don't know if it's going to focus because my ring light. But I was going to do an unboxing video, yo, but I was so hyped that I couldn't even get to the unboxing part. I had to just hurry up and do it because I wanted to see the stuff. So, this is real cute, like you see. This, and she gave me a thank you card. And this is, yeah, it's not gonna pick up that good because of my ring light, like I said. But you see, collection, like it's spelled like Lex. That's cute, right? And I will put their Instagram, everything, because that's not gonna pick up clearly. I will put everything in the description box and on the screen so y'all can get into it. So Alexis sent me her Mimi's growth serum, and the story behind it is that 57 years into the hair industry, her Mimi decided she wanted to leave a legacy for all three of her children. Soon her 11 grands and 2 great-grands. And basically, it came to her in a dream. Like the ingredients for the serum came to her in a dream. And she whipped this stuff up and started selling it. And yeah, Mimi put everybody on, apparently. So Alexis is now putting y'all on, and I'm helping her put y'all on too. So she sent me this, and this is just like this is compared to my hand. So y'all see the size. It's a good size, especially for the price. So I was sent this, and aside from being sent that, I did also purchase her Mimi's growth cream. This I purchased with my own money. So even if I didn't purchase it, I'm not gonna lie to y'all or cap to y'all about the products. I'm not that type of person. And it's the same story for this. Like as far as the ingredients coming to her in her dream and everything. So this is a good joint. And I was watching her YouTube like from when she cut her hair and her using this and just seeing like her hair growing. I'm like, well, what's she doing? Because my hair grow, but I need my hair to grow and put y'all on. So what I want y'all to do, right? This is what I want to do with my subscribers, my followers, my family members, my friends, my supporters, everybody who's there, I want you to do a hair growth challenge with me, okay? So, I do like little hair challenges with myself, like oh, I'm gonna get here by this time. I want to get past this by this time. But this time, I want y'all to do it with me. I want y'all to do it with me. So it's gonna be for 30 days, and y'all can purchase these products using my code, which can give y'all some money off on it, and you know, keep like track your hair growth. Now, your hair growth don't have to be a hair like draping down your back and oh, my hair was at my chin and in 3 days it's brow length. No, that does not have to be your hair growth journey. Personally, I don't really care if my hair gets longer. I just want to see like a change in my hair. So if it helps the health of my hair, if it's helping my hair get full, my edges getting even fuller, like any of it, I'm gonna be here for it. Like, I personally, my goal right now in my hair journey is my hair to get bigger in its natural curly state. I like big hair. So, you know, if Mimi can give me that, we cool. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited to start. Like, personally, I'm going to be doing mine in a protective style, which is going to be my wigs. I retain the most length when my hair is braided up under my wigs. So I will be like showing y'all how I prep my hair for using the products and maintaining it and everything like that. But you can do your regular hair care regimen, any of it, because the cream can be used as like grease. You can use it to grease your scalp. You can use it directly on your hair. You can use the oil to oil your scalp, still the tips of your hair. Like, it's completely up to you. It's directions on the bottles and the labels. But I want y'all to do this with me because I want y'all to see that I'm not capping to y'all. I want y'all to get into it. Okay? And if y'all have it, I want y'all to get into Alexis, get into what she does, her as a person, because she's lit. Like, she's bomb. I'm not going to be hype over nobody that's corny. I'm just letting y'all know that. Like, she's only like a year or two older than me, and the moves that she making, you will not be able to tell. She's a good joint. Okay, so I want y'all to get into this hair growth challenge and make sure that y'all do use my code because it is going to give you money off, and we always want money off on our things. Who doesn't want money off? So make sure I use my code. I'm gonna put on the screen or in the description box. I did record a video of my hair today, so I'll put that in there. Since I'm not starting exactly today, I'll probably have to record or take a picture again before I get my hair braided for the wig. So make sure y'all do take pictures, videos, or anything so y'all can see results. And I'm going to include that clip after this. And I'll be back. So I do hope that y'all join me in this journey, and I'm excited to see your results. I'm excited to see my results. If you are a follower, subscriber, friend, family, cousin, uncle, brother, aunt, sister, whoever, old comer, newcomer, whoever, you can join in on this and purchase these products so that you can get the growth too. Who wouldn't want their hair to grow? Who wouldn't want some healthy hair? So make sure y'all get on it. And if you are not a subscriber yet, make sure that you subscribe and press that bell button so you're notified every time I post a video. And come join me in my shavies because I'm lit, they're lit, we're lit, and it's lit. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I will see y'all in the next one.
I got it, I want it, I got it.